there is no justification for war. There is no justification for bombing, for killing somebody, for taking away the home. I mean, this is, you know, an ultimate cruelty, you know. And that has made me and everybody in Serbia very angry. And the scars of this, of these emotions, of this anger, still are today present in everybody. But I worked on myself, I must say, and on those emotions to forgive, because you need to forgive. Finally, how can you be fueled more by anything but by love? And love is forgiveness. And that's my philosophy of life. And as hard as it might be, you know, but at the end of the day, you can, and I think you should forgive, because you have to move on. You know, if you're stuck in that emotion, what are you going to make out of your life? I mean, it's always going to hold you back. It's always going to hold you down, not just professionally, but privately, emotionally. You know, it's hard. It's really hard. These people in Serbia have suffered a lot, you know, in the last 100 years. In the First World War, over 1 million Serbian people died, you know. And, but look, that's a kind of a destiny, I guess, that we as people have here in this region. But I still believe that can make us stronger. I really appreciate everything that I experienced in life, because I know that particularly those times have made me so resilient and so strong, but also so appreciative of everything that I have in life today.